Hey guys, hopefully everyone is doing well. Today's target is to solve question number 4. The chapter which we are related with is capital and revenue. This is your question number 4 and 5 inputs are given. We do know how to solve this question. As usual, performer is in front of us, so there is no hindrance. We can start our question directly. So first point is 1. Just put it. And what we have done, repair. As I've told you that there are two types of repair when you are repairing your asset which you have purchased as second hand, and repair charges in routine. So let's see, repair to a motor car met with an accident. This is not second hand asset, this is routine. Normally accident happens again and again within a single year. There is no guarantee that it would not happen. So normally it's a routine. So first we will write down the detail. Repair at on accident. You may enlarge or shorten this detail according to you. So I have said that accidents are not guaranteed that they will not happen again within a shorter period of time. So this is a routine. When you are maintaining your asset, accident happens, so it would be considered as revenue. So now when there is an accident, before accident you were having only one asset, and after a repair or charges or after repair process you will still have single asset. So it will not improve the position of your business, it will not improve the asset. So what does that mean? It has only for the maintenance. Look at here, it is not improving. If it was capital, so what was expectation? It will improve the position, but now your asset before and after accident has the same number. Single asset, it was just to maintain the asset. So you may write this narration to maintain, just post over here, and you may call it business or you may call it asset. So here we are increasing another word. It was just to maintain your asset. First entry has been completed. Now please remember, whenever you will see repair and it is not second hand, then it would be revenue. If you are making repairs on second hand asset purchase, then it would be considered as your capital. Now next is painting expenditure on newly constructed factory. This newly underline it. Normally painting expenditures when you are doing in routine, it is revenue, but since it is newly constructed factory, so heavy expenditures are expected on paint work. So what you will write, paint work for new construction. Now please understand, this paint work would have a heavy expense, and when you are constructing your building for the very first time, paint expenditures will be on large scale. That is why we are calling it as capital. There are several reasons. One of the reason is it is made for longer period of time, yes, and it does not happen again and again. It can also, it will improve the position, yes, it can be used, it does not reduce revenue. All 7 reasons can be applied, and we may choose this. It is made for the longer period of time. Normally first paint expenditure will last little longer, and then there will be a routine. After a year or 2 years you will start your repaint work. So in this way we have decided that paint work for the new construction would be considered capital, but routine paint work is revenue. Then we have third point, compensation paid for the person injured company's car. Okay, person injuries, injury, and secondly it was company's car. Now please understand, like in previous question, we have realized that injuries, accidents is a routine thing. There is no guarantee that today there was an accident and tomorrow it won't happen. So it is possible within a month 2 3 accident, it may be possible within a year 2 3 accidents. So there is no uh, there is no fixing. It's not possible that once an accident had happened and it won't happen for next 10-15 years. So we will decide it as revenue because it's routine. When you are working, when you are driving, when machines are in working condition, so accidents are always possible, injuries are always possible, so we will consider it as revenue. And why it is revenue? Because it can happen again and again, it made for shorter period of time, and this is good reason. Asset is not acquired, so we will follow the same. Any reason you can write, but this is most closely reason. We haven't purchased any asset, so that is why such expense would be considered as revenue. But please understand, injuries and accidents, they will always be revenue. Number 4 now, expenditure on replacement of slat roof by glass roof. What does that mean? You were having cemented roof, but now you have glass roof. It will create a good look, environment would be better, and position of that asset would also be in a better condition. So glass roof installed. Please understand, roof was already present, but you have replaced old roof with the new roof. And obviously this roof which we are replacing would not be changed within shorter period of time. It would be installed for the, it had been installed for the longer period of time. That is why you will call it capital. And reasoning, longer period, yes. Physical existence, yes. It does not happen again and again, yes. It will improve the position, yes. It does not reduce revenue, yes. Everything is okay, but here is the better reasoning. It does not happen again and again. So you will be posting over here. It would not happen again and again. Alright guys, number 4, if you have roof installed, it's a part of construction, it would be considered as your capital. Now next is goodwill. In previous question we have already understood goodwill mean good name, and good name would not be created within shorter period of time. It would be an effort which would be put for so many years. Sometimes I have said full life is needed to create goodwill, so that is why it is capital. So how you will deal it with? It will improve position of the business. Yes, goodwill will always improve your business position. The best reason we can find out was it will improve position of the business. So goodwill, capital, it is improving the business. So finally all points we have discussed, reasoning discussed, and their structure about decision of capital revenue has also been completed. So it means our question is ended. It is humbly requested to please repeat and revise by yourself for 2-3 times. And even after repetition you are feeling anything difficult, any point is misunderstood, you are very open to share your difficulties, problems through messages, text, or you can directly meet to share your problems. I will make it sure that answering your question instantly. So it's time to end our lecture. Thank you very much for your time. It's time to say goodbye. Allah Hafiz.